Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the car, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. I'm working on the car headlight today. You can see it's getting a little bit foggy, and there's a lot of gunk on the headlight. Super dirty. And you can see this size really bad too, really foggy. Now I'm gonna restore it. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash it down first with water, and then I'm gonna use the sponge here, and I'm gonna run it on the headlight real quick to get off all that chunk on the lens, all the debris and all that.
You can see all the gunk coming off of the lens. This is just water.
I'm gonna hit it one more time. You can see it's kind of like when you hit the bugs on the freeway, you kind of have that splash.
Splash all over the lens. I'm gonna run it up and down, side to side like this. And then after this, I'm gonna
Now for the sandpaper, this one is not that bad. So I have the 1000 here and the 2000. I'm gonna use the 1000 first on the block right here for the sandpaper. This one, it has a nail in here. You just fold the sand grit paper and then you clamp it down like this, and it'll stay. And then you can buy this at Home Depot or Lowe's. It's the 3M block for the sanding. So I'm gonna spray some water on here, and on the sandpaper I'm gonna sand the make sure you guys wet the sand grit paper. Spray some water on the lens. Just run it on there
real quick. It's kind of dry, you guys can see. Just trying to take off all that chunk. So right now, when you're sanding it down, it's gonna fade like that a little bit because you're sanding down the I would say like the clear coat a little bit. I'm gonna sand side to side like that. Make sure. So the first pass, I'm gonna do side to side, and then rinse it down, wipe it down, and then spray it over again. And then
I'm gonna go up and down on the second pass. For the second pass, I'm gonna go up and down.
my mama's gonna be happy after this. She's been complaining. My light's so foggy, I can't see it right.
Should be good. I'm gonna use the 2000 grit now. Make it more smoother. Now this is my 2000 grit.
I'm gonna do the same thing. First pass, I'm gonna do side to side.
Now I'm gonna go up and down. That should be good. The compound I'll be using is the turtle wax. This one you can buy at O'Reilly or AutoZone. This is the kit right here. It shows you it has the alcohol wipe, the sand, the spray clear coat, and the compound here. I don't have the one I usually use, which is the 3M. That one is a lot better. It's at my house. I forgot to bring it with me, but I found this one laying around at my mom's house, so I just use it. Now I'm gonna put some on the pad here. I'm just gonna put a few drop, and then I'm gonna spread it out on the lens. Oh, a little bit too much. So I'm gonna try to do this with one hand, but right now I'm just gonna tap it, spread the compound out evenly. And then for this one, I have it at the low setting mode, the 2800 RPM. Don't have to be too fast. So right now I'm gonna spread out the compound. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand, but I'm just showing you guys. Right now I'm spreading out the compound first. So right now I'm gonna go across and back like this on the first pass, and then the second pass I'm gonna go up and down, up and down. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. It's kind of hard. And then for this one, you want to overlap it 50%. Kind of hard to do it with one hand. Then I'm gonna apply some more, and then I'm gonna go up and down, up and down. I'm gonna wipe it down first. Now I'm just gonna wipe it down with the piece of napkin or a towel if you have. I missed a certain spot, but the second pass, I'm gonna cover it. So I'm gonna spread it out first. I'm going up and down. I'm gonna wipe it down again. You guys can see it's a lot better. There you go. You guys can see it's a lot better. I just knew to put the clear coat, the seal. Look at this side. Very foggy, a lot of gunk. Now I'm gonna wait a little bit for it to dry. Wait about like 5 minutes, and then I can put the seal coat. Thing I noticed, the product's expired, but you can still use it, but it's just less effective. But it still works. You just have to do a couple passes up and down, side to side, until it's clear like this. It still works. Now for the headlight coat, I used the Maguire here for the headlight coating. This one's a little bit better than the kit. So after you polish and you wipe it down, you're gonna use the seal right here. It says lens seal right there. You just take it out and then you wipe it over, and then you're gonna see it's gonna get more clear and it's gonna get coated. But I'm gonna try to do this with one hand, so you guys gonna see. There you go. Now I'm gonna leave it for 15 minutes before I spray another coat. I let it sit for 15 minutes. It's kind of dry now. Now I'm gonna come back and hit it with the second coat. Now when you spray it, you're gonna try to do, so the first spray is gonna be like this, and then the second pattern, you're gonna try to overlap it 50%. Just run it back and forth like that. So there you go. Let it dry for another 15 minutes. Looking very good. You can see there's a slight bit of like debris, very small, but it's not the best because I'm doing it outside. Looks pretty good. Now let me show you the final result here. So this is after the clear coat and everything sealed. Let me adjust the brightness. You guys can see it's completely sealed on both sides. There you go. That's it. Very nice and clear. So that is it to this video, guys. That's how you restore the foggy headlight. If you guys have any question down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out. Peace.